Hello friends, welcome back to VBA tutorial series. In this video, we will talk about one of the important topics, array. So what is array in VBA? So an array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in a single variable name. So here, this is a single variable wherein I have passed the memory or the size of this array to, and this is an integer type of variable. So I have created this as an array. So it can contain multiple value. Unlike simple variable, it could contain only one one type of value at a time, but it does not have the size, right? The houses or index, what we call. So unlike simple variable, an array type of variable could contain multiple value and the collection of elements. So the size of this array is 2. It will start from 0, 1 and then 2. First index, which is a 0, I passed value 5. In the second index 10, and the third and the last index 20. Let's get into the practical stuff, then only we will be able to understand it further. So here I'll declare a very simple variable here, and I'll pass memory to, and this is integer data type. The first index, which is 0, I'll put 70. Second index, which is 1, I'll put 80, and in third index, which is 2, if I try to display it in message box as an array, first and second and third, right? This is 70, 80 and 90. Let's take one more example here. I have put the size 2, so even I can write it in this way, 0 to 2. This is the same. If I run it, so result will be same. So you can pass the size or memory in this way, 0 to 2 or maybe 2, right? Instead of hard coding it multiple time, I can apply for loop here, which will start from 0 to 2. In message box, we can display it. If I run it, right? So this is one more way of displaying array. In example 3, what is my ask? I want to store these values from A3 to A14, the month name, in array. I'm declaring this from 3 to 14, the size of that array, and then I'll apply for loop from 3 to 14 and store that value in an array. So m ar I equal to cells, I is rows and column is first column, which is A column. This way I'll display it in message box. If I run it, so I'll get all the month name. Okay. What if I don't want it in message box? Instead of that, I want in D column. So what I'll write cells I comma 4 is my fourth column and m array value. So first storing value in array and then putting it back to column D, right? So first the value is getting stored in array and then sending it back to column 4, right? So now you can see these values are getting displayed in column D. So that's how you can manipulate arrays values. if you think this video is helpful for you, so please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.